Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. And today I'm gonna do the Euro USD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. First of all, as usual, we will take a look at the news we are having, and we are having high impact news into the market, and that is at 5:45 p.m., 6 p.m., and 6:15 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So be cautious at these timings because it could be a high spread and high volatile timing, which is not actually good for the small time or the lower time trades. So let's move to the charts now. Now, this is the monthly chart of Euro USD, and what do we have here is the price was sweeping the highs, and currently we are failing to sweep a high. So, I am anticipating that the price is having enough bullish strength to go into the upside direction. But what will confirm that? The lower time frame structure than this monthly will confirm that if we are having enough strength to go into the upside direction. So, let's move to the weeklies. Now, this is the weekly chart. And what do we have is that the price is giving a close above the weekly levels too. And we were having some kind of a similar structure into the weekly levels because it was also sweeping the highs. Now, what do we have is that we can see that the price rejected this strong level somewhere here, over here, I guess. So, we will find something within this range as a support zone of the price. So let's jump to the dailies. Now, when we move into the dailies, what we find is that the price had rejected this level, swept the liquidity and then moved into the downward direction, but failed to go below and responded somewhere over here and then moved into the upside direction. So we can anticipate that the smart money or the people who are managing this overall structure is bullish over this range, that is they put their money over here to make this structure fail. So I'm anticipating that this is a strong low. So let's move to the 4 hours now to see if we have something over here. So as those who had watched the video yesterday, I was talking that though we are having this FVG disrespected and the price made a new FVG into the market at this level, which is a sign that the price can possibly go into the upside direction. But we were still bearish because the price had swept the high, and I was anticipating that the price can move into the downward direction. Now that the price rejected this level, this area has become a strong area for us, and I'll be anticipating that the price in the further future comes to this level. We can possibly see a reaction at this zone. But currently, for today's bias, let's see if we are having something into this structure which is going to define for our today's trade plan. So let's move to the 1 hours now. Now, this is the 1 hour chart, and what we can see is that the London sessions liquidity was taken by the New York, but we failed to close below the New York low. This is a significant move because if the price could have taken the low, most likely we were into the bearish phase. But currently, what phase we are? We are within a range at this current point. So the bias is still not clear unless and until these key levels are cleared by the market. So let's move to the 15 minutes to see if we have anything at a clear bias into the smaller time frames. So even into the smaller time frames, what we can see is that we have a closure below this candle. So most likely I'll be anticipating that we can be bearish at this phase and possibly go into the downward direction if we are going to sweep the Asia high. So let's move to the 15 minutes to see if we are having something of the clear bias at this zone. So we took the liquidity of the London and then move into the downward direction, closed below this structure, which is possibly a strong low for me, and then the price is reacting over this zone. So if we are going to take the Asia high and then show a reaction into the bearish phase, most likely we are going to go into the bearish direction. But currently, what I'm anticipating is that that trading within this range is not healthy, and I'll be anticipating and to break the market this 1 hour, I guess, a low or the high, and then we can possibly move into the either side. So for now, I'm partially bearish into the market. And let's see if we can find some kind of entry into the lower time frame towards the bearish phase. So this is pretty much it. If you like this video, do like and share and comment and press the bell icon to get a constant update. Apart from that, if you are having some kind of questions or doubts regarding my analysis, feel free to write that into the comment. I'll try my best to answer those questions. Uh, this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching.